umaga. Good morning. Are you ready for the outing today? Also, I would like to ask you to take this opportunity to get to know each other so we can be much stronger as one team. I think we're lucky we have such a beautiful weather today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. And last but not least, always remember, only Yamaha revs your heart.
Nag-enjoy kami sa binigay ng Yamaha na opportunity para magkabuklod-buklod kami dito.
Ang Yamaha ay isang makataong kumpanya. Inaalagaan niya yung mga empleyado niya at hinahayaan niya rin na mag-improve or mag-excel, then mag-enjoy.
We really are very grateful to Yamaha because we had the opportunity to spend like this with the colleagues, and we are very grateful that we had this management na very caring and who values their employees. That's why Yamaha really revs my heart.
Very thankful for giving us this summer outing. So without their efforts, even just for one day, so we're very thankful. Thank you to Yamaha. Only Yamaha revs your heart.
Very thankful kami mga employee dahil hindi kami pinapabayaan, dahil kami masaya.
So ayun po, nakaklose ko yung mga hindi ko dati ka-close like yung other department. So as an employee po of Yamaha, mahalaga po yun sa amin na makakommunicate yung ibang department, hindi lang po sa sarili namin department.